Welcome. We're pleased to give you an early look at our newest solution, XMLtoExcel. With just a few clicks, it seamlessly converts raw XML OBD snapshot files into structured Excel spreadsheets. Say goodbye to manual data wrangling and hello to instant analytics. The intelligent XMLtoExcel software automatically detects and maps data types for quick, accurate conversions every time. Single or bulk XML uploads? No problem. XMLtoExcel handles it all with ease. Supporting today's key protocols like J1979, J1939, and J1699, XMLtoExcel unlocks the insights hidden in complex diagnostic files from cars, trucks, and beyond. See for yourself just how simple converting XML can be. Select a file, drag, drop, choose a style, press convert, and watch your data come alive in Excel. And voila, perfectly formatted Excel sheets ready for your analysis. The power of XMLtoExcel is in your hands. Help maximize productivity and standardization across your workflow. Make your diagnostic data work for you with XMLtoExcel, the automation solution from RA Consulting. Contact us today to learn more. The right solution for maximum productivity, XMLtoExcel.